Hi, welcome to Vaping with TALORX. This is YouTube's very first and only vaping show where I teach you how to vape and how to do it properly so that you can be the coolest person at the vape pile. So, how do we get started? Well, first, it requires purchasing a vaporizer of your choice. There are many different kinds of vaporizers, but this is my favorite one. So this is an iPhone box, but it was for demonstration purposes, just to show you how to open the package. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your vape package. It won't be an iPhone case or an iPhone box. It'll be a vape one, but. So you're going to open up the box by removing the top. And then in your box you'll find a vaporizer, a plug, and a charger. Vaporizers, also known as vapes, they can have an internal battery, meaning there's a battery in it, and you charge it in here. But some of them require a battery like this. It's called an 18650. That stands for 18. One is the A is the first letter in the alphabet, and H is the eighth alphabet. So if you put that together, it's A-H for a 650. As in Now I understand why it's called an 18650. Okay, so now it's time to put the battery in your vaporizer. So first we have to get the bottom open. It's okay, sometimes it can get a little slippery. That's fine. That's okay. That's just how they are sometimes. Nice. I did it with my hands. So now that you've got it open, you're just going to open the top of your vape. Now it's time to put the battery in. Be very careful, because batteries can explode, and we don't want a battery to explode. So you got to make sure that you're putting the correct end in the right way. On one side you have a dimple and a flat. The flat end always goes to touch the top. So we're going to put it in like this. And we're going to turn the vape on. But to do that, you just click the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on a battery, there's 2 ends. There's the bubble end and the flat end. Make sure that the bubble end always goes to the top, because if you put it in wrong, it can be very dangerous. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And would you look at that? We've now successfully turned on our vaporizer. What do you do next? Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, and maybe I'll show you how to use the vape and do some really cool tricks to impress your friends. Thank you for watching.